Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasamula and welcome to my channel, that is Wasamula Graphics and Architectural Channel. In this tutorial Photoshop, I will tell you or show you how to use Art History Brush tool in Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's jump into Photoshop. Take an image. Now Art History Brush tool. What Art History Brush tool do? It now increase my size of the brush by clicking on the close bracket key button on your keyboard. To mix images to bigger the size of the brush bigger. Now when I brush it, it's make into an art pictures. Like you can see when I make it small brush, it makes the picture into art picture. The image, the art colors, you can see it. It makes the image into art colors. Like an artwork, you can see it in our painting. You can see it like blurry painting. This was a quick tip. I will be back with next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That is Wasamula Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye.